Hi and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to look at how we can add a custom MCP server to Metaflow. As you know, we already have about 2,500 apps you can connect to. But if you do want to connect a custom MCP server, like I have here, I'm going to show you quickly how you can do that. So when you're in Metaflow, if you go to the user settings right here on the bottom and click on settings, it'll take you directly to a page like this. And here in the settings, you have to go to the integrations tab, and that lets you show you, that's going to show you all the connected apps. As you can see, we already have a lot of apps connected, but in case you are either missing an app or you would like to connect your own MCP server, then go ahead and click on this button right here. It's going to bring up a dialog where you can enter your server URL and give it a custom name for your reference. And that's as simple as that. And for today's example, what I'm going to do is I have an MCP server that I'm running via Zapier. For those of you who don't know, Zapier offers MCP connections to probably 8,000 plus apps. So all you have to do is authenticate Zapier, and then you just go ahead and add the tools that you would like to connect. Simply go ahead and copy this URL that Zapier is going to give you. And once you're back in Metaflow, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and type, set up the URL, and then I'm just going to give it a name like Zapier MCP. And once I hit connect, it's going to take a few seconds to get this connected. As you can see, we've already connected. It's got 7 tools. And here you can see all the tools that we have connected to Zapier MCP. And now I'm going to go back to an example that I was showing you previously. So here I have an agent which basically turns any rough idea into a social media post, and it basically takes up rough 2 or 3 sentences, turns them into a post. And once I finally approve, so here is the tool calling I made to add to buffer. So the way you add these tools is very simple. You simply go ahead and do / and call your MCP tool right here. Or even simpler is you can simply go ahead to the bottom here and look at the tool, and then you can just go ahead and say add to buffer queue. That's going to add the tool here. Quickly going to save this just to be sure, and then I'm going to bring my rough note here and ask the agent to just create a post, and you do a LinkedIn post based on this video, and let's kick off the agent and see what it's coming up with. Okay, the agent has come back with asking my comments. So I'm going to say, okay, let's format it for the usability, split them to multiple lines, add emojis, and make some of the highlights using Unicode bold. So something I learned recently is that I used to copy my text and then go to a LinkedIn formatter online to make the text bold each time, and figured out it's a Unicode format. So I'm just starting to use this so I don't have to go to another tool. So, I mean, this is not exactly my style, but for the purpose of the demo, I'm just going to say it, add it to queue. So let's just wait for the agent to just add it to buffer queue. So there you see the agent is calling the custom MCP server, and it's making the action right there. And so I guess that kind of gives you an idea of how you can add MCP tools to Metaflow. So the possibilities are endless here. So you can pretty much connect any tool
and go from there. Thank you.